Hi, I'm Dr. Harvey Karp, and this is a quick Happiest Baby Q&A. When your baby is drinking, it's common that she may swallow air. In fact, the more quickly she's gulping the milk, and you'll even hear that, she'll go gulp, 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 then she's likely to be swallowing air. If she's actually drinking quietly and you can barely hear the swallows, chances are she's not taking in too much air. But anyway, it's always a good idea when you're finished with the feeding to burp your baby. The best technique, I think, for burping a baby is to sit them up or even to lie them over your arm, of course with a little burp cloth there in case your baby spits up. And then the pad should be kind of as strong as a tom-tom drum. Do that for a minute or two to see if you can loosen up the burp. Think of a burp kind of as little air bubbles. You know how you get air bubbles on the inside of a glass, like when you pour some soda in, you can see these bubbles sticking to the side of the glass. And then if you tap the glass, that allows the bubbles to loosen and to rise up. And that's exactly what happens with these little air bubbles inside your baby's stomach. If after a minute or two and your baby hasn't burped, that's okay, don't worry about it. You can put your baby down. Burps are not going to get stuck in their stomach and make your baby cry or feel discomfort. The worst thing that'll happen is an hour or two later you may hear the burp come out, or there might be a little bit of spit up as the burp comes out, but that's not something you have to worry about.